the Halifax real estate market. What is going on? I will be right back with the state of Halifax market, February 2021. Boom, bust, balance. I'll be right back and we can chat about it. Hey everyone, Brenda Kay down here in the corner. You got to see these numbers. They're crazy. Let's start with the 4-year trend in what's going on in Halifax here. So we have active 403. Can you imagine? Look back at 2018, 2,382 listings. Wonder why we're in a seller's market right now? Well, that will tell you the number of sales. When you look back at 2021, you have 518, and 2020 you've got 429, and you've got, the 330. So the numbers are just crazy that are out there. Sales year to date, 882. So that number's up. And then the days on market, my God, look, we used to be at an average of 87, and now we're at 38. I remember even 6 years ago, where the average day on market was like 101 days. So we are in a historic market here right now in Halifax. So month supply, we don't even have a month. Again, we've never seen that. You go back to 2018, you can see we were almost 5.5 months to get a house sold in the market. And we were definitely in a buyer's market at that point. Also, when you look at what's happening, like 2018, 317, 313, 331. So they all kind of, having that growth of 2 to 4%, which we normally have always seen in the Halifax real estate market. Look at this year's number, 461,000 and change. Prices right now in the Halifax area have gained about 30 to 34% in the recent year. That is huge. And the list to sell ratio, 96.7, and we're like 106. Properties are selling at 0 days on the market. 0 days. That's crazy. So let's just take a look at the last one here is the increase. So you can actually see this was just done. It was 39%. Is what that growth has been in the last year. And look at it when you look at 2018, 9.9, and 19 we're down. In 20 we're 5.9. Wham! In 2021 we are at 39.1%. I've been trading my own real estate since 1983, and I have never ever heard of this, and talked to a lot of agents that are in the same mode that I am. And as you guys know, I love my graphs because it really shows you where. So, the active listings, you can see right here on the red line. And we're way down here. It's unheard of. And also the sales, when you look at them as a graph, you can really see that 2020, how high 2020 is over 2018. Yeah, there's been a huge change in the market there. Days on market on a graph, again, look up in 2018, you were 87. And now when we did this chart, this was not just a 1 month, it was year to date on here. So it's showing that we have about 38. And of course, we just talked about the average price. And, look at that gap, from 2018 to 2021, even the gap from 2020, and we weren't in COVID mode at this time last year. And then you can see the average price of how far we have gone up. So you can see, looking at the 4-year trend, that we have historically, we've never seen this in Halifax. What's going to happen? We don't know. Are we strong right now? Yes. What's it a perfect market for? Sellers only. Let's find out in March where the trend is going. I'll be back for the Halifax State of the Market in March 2021. We'll see you then. I'm Brenda Kay. This is the sweet Miss Frankie. Cheers.